Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup thukpa. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and spinach, along with your choice of protein such as chicken or tofu. Don't forget the essential spices like ginger, garlic, and a touch of chili for that authentic flavor. Preparing these items beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's focus on the heart of your thukpa, the broth. Sauté ginger and garlic, then add your protein and vegetables, covering them with water or stock. Let it simmer gently for about 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. While the broth is simmering, cook your noodles separately according to package directions until they are perfectly al dente. This prevents them from becoming mushy in the soup. Now for the exciting part, assembling your delicious thukpa. Carefully add the cooked noodles to your flavorful broth. Then, incorporate any remaining fresh vegetables, allowing them to cook briefly until tender crisp. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a pinch more salt or a dash of pepper as needed. A squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens the entire dish, making it truly irresistible. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your homemade thukpa. Ladle generous portions into warm bowls, ensuring everyone gets a good mix of noodles, vegetables, and broth. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of spring onions for a vibrant finish. For an extra kick, offer some chili oil on the side. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.